Welcome to West Virginia. I am here at the Rustic Horse Antique Mall. I've never been here. I'm excited. I'm on my way home and oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome in there. Dude, what? That's a yes. Yeah, I am gonna go to town on this jade-eyed horse. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't focus on anything else. I gotta know. 300 bucks. Dang, that's awesome. All right, let's, wait a minute. Oh, trophies, I was gonna say. Let's see. Dang, this is so awesome. Look at that vase in there. And yeah, this is awesome. This scratched my itch. Look at this basket, that's beautiful. So much Blanco. Yeah, look over here, oh my gosh. These Burmese pieces are amazing. Wow. Look at the owl box. That's amazing. All right, well, I'm trying to see more of what the situation is here before I go completely crazy up front. This is a little bit overwhelming. Oh my gosh, look at this. This Jack in the Pulpit is gorgeous. 45. I don't think that's not bad. I'm gonna look it up just to be safe, but that's really pretty. We all know I have a weakness for the Jack in the Pulpits. Yeah, so I'm not sure actually how much room that leaves if it was for myself. It'd be a steal. I think I'm gonna put it back for now. Like I said, I wanna get a good feel of how ugly this is gonna get. Look, $38.50 on the cat. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's just like everywhere. The horse. Wow, look at the stoppers. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I love this slag elephant back there. Just like an insane, oh my gosh, look at the carnival one. Mosser. Oh, look at the Santa Fe lamp. How much is that? 75. Then in here, oh my gosh, no way. I won for once. And look at the little Fenton heart-shaped box. That's quite pretty. $40. This is awesome. 10% off except for the handkerchief face back there, and the blue is gorgeous. Let's see. Wow, this is kind of a cool one. Montana made in USA. 28 bucks. That's really pretty. Whoa, look at this guy. 33, so $30. I don't know, man, that's really pretty. Ooh, look at this one. $30. Fenton. Huh. I think I'm actually gonna grab that. I think I would do well on that. I don't think it's like the best deal ever, but it's really pretty. And it's a color. I think there's some room to be made on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. And the black is really nice. That's at 18. Then here, this one's 20. It's not as exciting though as some of the stuff I'm seeing. Kind of, like I said, I'm still doing my kind of initial scan. This place is also bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And there's a little shop next door too, which I think I'll check out. I didn't realize they were like right next to each other. Ooh, found another pink one. $20. That's really pretty. This is unusual. Art Deco check glass. $20. With the moons, that's kind of cool. No shortage of shoes. Then you got this carnival glass bowl. Check out this awesome stretchy acrylic. It looks like lucite. $8. Hey, some Batosi. Nice. Ooh, this is a pretty one. $145. And then up here, this is kind of different. Fenton, $165. Purple opalescent. Never seen that style with the bow. Look at this epic play suit this girl has on. Got great clothes. Oh my gosh, look at this dress. That is amazing. Ooh, look at this little cherries hat. Oh my gosh, $14. Avocado. Look, and the little cherries are like acrylic. That's amazing. $14. I'll take that. And look at this. Giveaway clipper. Flea. That's epic. $6. Oh, that's so fun. Look at this. The Cavaliers marching band outfit. That's amazing. What? $35? That's like dirt cheap. Oh my gosh. Look at this wedding dress. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. $30. What? That's amazing. Does it have the buttons in the back? I feel like it would have a zipper. Let me feel. Yeah, it's got the zipper. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, kind of want it. I don't know what I'd do with it, but I kind of want it. Let's see. All kinds of great. Look at this. Cotton floral set. That's really funky. What? There's more. $20. More Fenton. That yellow glass piece is quite interesting. Look at the baseball caps. Fenton baseball caps. I've never seen those before. Did those say $10? Is this open? $10. Look at this one. 20 on that. That's cool. And then you got the shoe, Fenton. That's a different version of the shoe. Fenton boot, $25. The bluebird is gorgeous and it's only $20. Well, I just reached into this case and look at this little vase I grabbed, $6. I'll take that. Wow, awesome. How much is the duck? $30. That's not bad. Oh my gosh, this shoe is gorgeous. Hold on, let me put my basket down so I can get in there. Dude, it's $12. That's insane. I'll take that. Now, what's in here? Oh, I'm looking at the... Okay, those are $52 for the pair. Some really nice stuff. Nice Blendo set. Tanala pitcher. They have a little bit of everything here. Is this glass or ceramic? Ceramic. Okay, I was like having a moment there. You can tell I've been on the road for too long. Oh, I like what's going on over here. Wait. 40, 25, 40. Those are so pretty. Love acro agate. Now, what's happening in here? $35 on the swirls. Those are kind of fun. $50 on the vase. That's really pretty. And, whoa. I think I want to look at that. $185. Fenton Art Glass 2009. Signed. Etched too. That's amazing. Fenton mosaic vase. I don't think I can leave this here. I've just been kind of sitting on the floor. I sent a picture to a friend. Not really asking permission though. This is pretty freaking epic, and especially because I'm down the street from Fenton, I don't think I'd be able, I mean, some of them are selling for crazy money, and some are listed for crazy, crazy money. I don't think I'd double my money per se, but I think I'd be able to make something off of it, and I'd be able to pass it through my hands. I think that's pretty great. I think I'm gonna take that. This is a really interesting piece of Murano. I love the flowers in that, 50 bucks. It's a pretty good price. It's not really my thing, but the flowers are. I'm gonna try and sneak in here and check. Oh, look at this Blanco one. That's really pretty. 56. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I think that's a deal. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Now, look at this little pink opalescent dish. Soap dish 22. That is so pretty. Yo, what is that? Other than insane. And that's really cool too. That piece of art glass. Riverside Studios. Now, what's over here? Huh. That is not what I want it to be. I didn't think it was, but I'm kind of in this like weird zone right now because there's so much stimulation around me. I'm gonna look in this case again. That's a crazy giant Blanco. I don't know, that might actually be it, although that green one's really pretty, but I'm pretty pleased with what I got, so I think I might call it and go next door. Look at these, those are pretty. Half-doll lamps. Okay, well, I figured I was missing some stuff. Look at this weird thing. That's kind of crazy. $12. Perfume beveled glass stand. That's unusual. For 12 bucks, I'll take that. And look at this one. That looks correct. Murano, 25. That's pretty. It does look and kind of feel like it, honestly. I'll take both. You know what? On second glance, something's not sitting well with me about it. I don't know. I'm just not crazy about it. It's really pretty, but I think I am going to put this one back. It's not as unique as I want it to be, even though it's very pretty. And then this little blue vase up here. $30 basically. This is really pretty, this pink one. $30. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I still am thinking about that freaking green one I left at the first place I stopped. I know I know I've seen it before, but still, it was really nice. Let's see. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything too crazy before I stop. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Look back in here one last time. Seems to be a bunch of stuff kind of tucked away. I'm sure I'm going to watch this back and be like, oh my gosh, how did I not see blah, blah, blah. Very cool. I think that made up for the Dave Fetty pulled feather vase that I left across the bridge in Marietta. That was an amazing trip. I got a deal. I spent $428 and I loved every second of it. I'm going to pop next door before I get back on the road home, and I'll see you guys later.